Hello there. So today I'll be taking you through how to make a cake board. Yes, from cartons. Those who want DIY, do it yourself. Yes, this is it. Stay tuned as I show you the step by step on how to make this. Feedy Bakery, your pocket friendly bakery. You can make a cake board from cartons. And what do you need? You need ruler, craft knife, you need ruler, pencil, a compass, and a scissors. First of all, I'm going a 10-inch. So here I have my ruler here. I have my inch. I need 10-inch, so I measure 5-inch. You know, your semicircle, and with this it should give so I've done this one. I need another one. I want to cut this one out first. To do this, you actually need a hard surface when using the craft knife, and be mindful with your hands as well. One out. Just to make sure that I get so. Now I want to use this gum so that it can gum it. So I'll do this and then put an heavy object on it so that it can stay, so that all can come together before the final wrapping. I have my sticker. This is what I want to use to wrap it up. So I will cut out the diameter that I need. This is how it looks like. So here now I need 12 inches. So my semicircle that I will have to do to get that is 6 inches. So I'll cut this out. So this is what I need. And here we have, so it's sealed. Now I want to cover it with the sticker. So I lift it gently. And place at the center. Then I make a cut around. So you lift it, press it down firmly. invert it. So I'll just cut out a circle so that it can cover up that space. So I apply my gum here and then use this to cover it. And here you go. Your cake board is ready.